All right, so I guess I am live right now. As promised, I am going to go ahead and give the resources that I said that I would give for our grandparents who are raising our grandchildren. This is our new channel, 24 Hours of Grace. And so, right now, today, being the first one, I'm just going to give some information that I received on resources. And some of the information that I received is stores that are allowing grandparents, or should I say seniors, to go into the stores early. This is not new news. However, some people may not even know this. But I'm going to name off the list of the stores and what time they are allowing seniors to come into the stores. So the list I have, we have Walmart. Senior only time is going to be on Tuesdays from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. So that means you can go into the store and not have to be bothered with other individuals that are not your age in the store. We have Target. Senior only time is going to be on Wednesday, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And then we have Walgreens. They are senior only time on Tuesdays from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And then we have senior only time Tuesday and Thursday, Safeway, Whole Foods. Um, Let me go back. Safeway, senior only time. That's going to be on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Whole Foods, senior only time, and that's going to be each day. That's from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. And then Sam's Club, senior only time, Tuesdays and Thursdays from 8 a.m. into 9 a.m. Now, I did speak with one of the managers over at the Sam's Club in Midwest City, Justin, and he informed me that their time is for seniors and also anyone that has any autoimmune disease. You can come in. He also said that they started a new thing today where they have concierge service. So that means you can drive up with your list as to what you want. And once you give them that list, they go in and they shop for you. And then you get to pay for your items with the iPad. On the iPad using a card, a debit card or a credit card. Unfortunately, at this time, they don't accept cash on this particular service, but that service is available. I do know at the Sam's Club out in Midwest City. Now, whether that is at all the Sam's Clubs, I'll find out later if that is the case at every Sam's Club. But I do know the one in Midwest City, Oklahoma, they are allowing you to do that. Aldi is going to be another one. Senior only time is going to be Tuesday and Thursday from 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Dollar General, senior only time is the first hour of each day, and it has here 8 to 9. And then Trader Joe's, senior only time is going to be from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then Big Lots, they have a senior only time each day from 9 a.m. To 10 a.m. Okay. So those are the stores that I have the information on. Now, I received also, this was a while back on this, and this was the update on Skyline Urban Ministries mobile pantry. And so they had the following locations, and it says that all the times are 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And it says the trailer is a freezer, and it's lined with shelves and stocked as a mini. Um, it says FRC. So I'm not sure what the FRC is, and so I'm going to have to find out what FRC is. Food Resource Center, maybe. But they have Mount Triumph Baptist Church. That's Pastor Dorn over at 1716 Abram Ross, Oklahoma City, and that's going to be the first and third Tuesdays of every month. So again, that's Mount Triumph Baptist Church at 1716 Abram Ross, Oklahoma City, first and third Tuesdays of each month. They have Riverside Park. That's 800 North Agnew, Oklahoma City, and that's going to be first and third Wednesdays of the month. They have Mary Mahoney Memorial Health Center. That is at 12716 Northeast 36th Street. That's in Spencer. That's going to be on the first and the third Thursdays. So let me repeat this again because I may be going too fast. Mount Triumph Baptist Church, 1716 Abram Ross, Oklahoma City, first and third Tuesdays of each month. And then we have Riverside Park, and that's going to be 800 North Agnew in Oklahoma City. That is the first and third Wednesdays. And these are places where you can go get groceries. Mary Mahoney Memorial Health Center, that's going to be 12716 Northeast 36th Street. That's Spencer, first and third Thursdays. And then Umbridge Way Church, that's located at 228 West Hefner, and they are in Oklahoma City, and that's the second and the fourth Tuesdays of each month. Again, that's Bridgeway Church. That's 228 West Hefner, Oklahoma City, and that is the second and fourth Tuesdays of each month. And then we have Tabitha Baptist Church. They are located at 1219 Northeast Grand Boulevard, and that is in Oklahoma City. That is the second and fourth Wednesdays of each month. Tabitha Baptist Church, again, that's 1219 Northeast Grand Boulevard, Oklahoma City, and that is the second and fourth Wednesdays of each month. And then we have Restore Oklahoma City. That is located in 2222 Northeast 27th Street. Let me repeat that again. Restore OKC, that is in Oklahoma City, 222 Northeast 27th Street, Oklahoma City, and that is going to be the second and fourth Thursdays of each month. And so they are open, as I said, on those days, and it's going to be from 11 to 1 p.m. That you can go in. So, and they will be practicing safe distancing when you go to get groceries. Okay, and then the last thing that I have for today is going to be on electricity and internet assistance. Now, LIHEAP, I know this was, I received this email on March 31st. So you'll have to contact them to make sure that they're still doing it. But they are paying utility bills. Now, the eligibility requirements are going to be that you must be within 72 hours of the cutoff window when the energy is scheduled to be interrupted. Restore established service or fuel delivery is what this is for. Let's see here. Or you have to have a written notice from the utility provider for a new service establishment or service restoration with minimum requirement security deposit. So again, that is cut off within 72 hours, or if you are trying to establish new service, or are you trying to restore your service, they need a letter from the utility provider what the minimum requirements is going to be as far as the security deposit, or a written notice from utility provider refusing to deliver additional fuel without a minimum requirement payment. So those are the resources that I have for that. Now, as far as the internet is concerned, I know a lot of our grandparents who are raising grandchildren may not have internet services because it just wasn't affordable for you. But of course, with children or your grandchildren having to go back to school, a lot of them are having to do school online, and so you'll need that internet service. And so I have a list of uh, the internet services that are not very expensive plans. So they have the Federal Communication Commission's Lifeline program. That's going to be $9.25 discount on internet service through participating individuals who participate that. So you can contact the Federal Communication Commission Lifeline program. We have Infinity Internet Essentials program that is $9.95 a month for up to 15 megabytes of service. They have the Spectrum Internet Assistance, that's $14.99 a month for up to 30 megabytes. Cox Connect to Compete, that is $9.95 a month. AT&T's Access program is going to be $10 a month. Metacom's Connect to Compete program is also going to be $9.95 a month. And then you have Net Zero Dial-Up Internet. That's 10 hours of free internet service per month. And then you have Freedom Pop free 4G mobile and home internet, and that's 1 gigabyte of free data per month. So again, these are either low cost or no cost internet services, and something is going to be better than nothing, especially if you have kids that you need access to the internet in order for them to continue their studies. So I'm going to repeat those one more time. That is Federal Communication Commission's Lifeline program at $9.25 discount on internet service. Infinity's Internet Essential program, that's $9.95. Spectrum Internet Assist, that's $14.99. Cox Connect to Compete, $9.95 a month. AT&T's Access program, $10. Metacom's Connect to Compete program, that's $9.95 a month. And then Net Zero Dial-Up Internet, that's 10 hours of free internet service per month. And then Freedom Pop free 4G mobile and home internet. Now, Project Grace does not endorse any specific internet service. That'll be left up to you as to which one you would like to go with. As I said, Miss Linda Lewis and I, some days we'll be on here together, and some days we'll just be uploading different information so that you can get that information, the information that you need for your families. All right, thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and also pass this along to anyone that may need it.